Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever dealt with a flat tire on the road or needed a quick air top-up before heading out, this one's for you. Today, I'm reviewing the Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor, a 180 PSI cordless air pump that promises 3x faster inflation, a digital pressure gauge, and a powerful built-in battery. This portable compressor is designed for cars, motorcycles, bicycles, and even sports equipment. It's completely cordless, powered by a rechargeable lithium battery, and small enough to fit in your glove box or backpack, making it a must-have for daily drivers and adventurers alike. 180 PSI power and 3x faster inflation. First up, this pump packs serious pressure. With 180 PSI, it can inflate a flat car tire in minutes, up to 3 times faster than standard inflators. Cordless operation and rechargeable battery. Next, it's fully cordless, powered by a high-capacity rechargeable battery, so no tangled wires, just grab and go. It even supports USB-C charging, so you can top it up in your car or at home. Digital pressure gauge with auto shut-off. The digital pressure gauge is clear and easy to read, showing PSI, bar, or kPa. You can set your desired pressure, and it'll automatically shut off when it reaches that number. Built-in LED light. It also includes a bright LED flashlight, which makes nighttime or roadside inflation safe and easy. Multi-purpose nozzle attachments. And finally, it comes with multiple nozzles for car tires, motorcycles, bicycles, and sports balls, perfect for any inflation task. Speed. The inflation speed is no joke, it's quick, efficient, and reliable for emergencies. Portability. It's lightweight, cordless, and easy to carry anywhere. Fits perfectly in your glove box or bike bag. Smart features. The auto shut-off and digital display make it super user-friendly, no overinflating or guesswork. The battery life could be better, you'll get about 3 to 4 tires on a single charge, so heavy users should recharge often. It's a bit loud when running at full speed, which is common but still noticeable. Overall, the Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor is a powerful, compact, and super convenient tool that belongs in every car. With 180 PSI power, cordless freedom, and smart controls, it's perfect for road trips, emergencies, and everyday use. If you want a fast, reliable inflator that fits in your hand, this one's a solid choice. Check it out here. And if you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment on what tool or gadget you want reviewed next.